A basic American value ought to be that every child should get a quality education, irrespective of their ethnicity, the color of their skin, the level of income of their families. And that means school choice across the board. Public, private, every possible means by which we empower parents to make choices. Now, for those that think, wow, that's going to destroy the public school system, that's not true. In Florida, we have the most ambitious school choice programs over the longest period of time, and I would venture to say our public schools are significantly better because we have empowered people to make choices. All schools get better when you provide opportunities for people. So equality of opportunity is the second element of any long-term strategy to assure that we're competitive in this increasingly competitive world. The third suggestion I would have is that we should have a command focus on reading at the early levels. Getting the fundamentals right are essential to make sure that we can have a building block that makes that likely to occur. The fourth suggestion I would have is that we need to raise the bar. My experience has been that if you have low expectations for kids because you're putting your prejudice on them by saying they can't learn, you'll get that result. In America today, we do that way too often. It seems to me, from a political point of view, we should be advocating a very basic principle that every child can learn. These are God-given abilities. We should not lower expectations. We should raise expectations. It is a much more hopeful, optimistic message to suggest that children can learn. And that means raise the expectations, have loftier standards that are benchmarked to the best in the world. The reason why we have about 60% of our kids that are not college and or career ready by the time they reach 12th grade is because our expectations are so low. We have about a 10th grade level expectation on kids. It's a miracle that many kids are reaching a college and or career readiness when our expectations have been so dumbed down. The better approach, the bolder approach, the approach that would generate support across the spectrum of ideology amongst all sorts of people that would be brought to our cause would be to say we should have benchmarked our standards to the best in the world. Not to the 25th best in the world, but to the best of the world. High expectations, robust accountability, a focus on early childhood literacy, equal opportunity for all are the elements, I think, of a successful education system. And my opinion is those are the elements of a pretty darn good political platform